What's up, guys? As you can see, I just got back from work. I'm dirty, I'm sweaty, wearing old shirts, it doesn't matter. But today I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the truck real quick, and then we're going to be giving this truck a visual lift. This truck's gonna look taller when it's done, but it won't be any taller. We are within 2 weeks of this truck being lifted, so this is probably one of the last times you'll see it in this garage because it will not fit. I mean, it hardly fits the way it is. After I lift it, yeah, I don't think it's going to be huge. You probably won't even fit underneath the deck here. So we're within 2 weeks of this thing being lifted. It's summertime. The weather's nice. I honestly cannot deal with this thing being stock height anymore. Not having nice wheels and tires on it. I just can't deal with it anymore. So I'm going to lift it. That's the best part about this channel is I will do 99% of the work myself. There's a very select few things that I would get done, and that's just mainly because I know a buddy, that's his job, or you know, that's what they do. One of those things is coming up that I'll be doing in this truck. That they just know what they're doing, and that's their job, and they do that every day. And you know, I would love to learn some of those skills, but I want to give back to people, help them out as much as possible. So that's their art, that's their skill. I'm gonna give back to them. You know, make it work. You know, make it worthwhile. Make their day. Help them out. So there's very few select things I'll let them do and let them take care of. But mainly, I'll be doing all the work to this truck. So the lift kit, you'll see me wrenching, you'll see me putting the bolts on. Window tint, you obviously see me do that. Any other visual things, electrical things, audio things, when I get there, you'll see me doing those and performing those because it's a car, truck, lifestyle channel, and I hate when people sit there and make their channels about this, and they sit there, take my truck to the shop, take my car, put an exhaust on, doing all this stuff, and I'm like, it's your car, it's your truck, it's your motorcycle. Do the work yourself. That's what makes the build all worth it, is when you put in the work to get it done. Alright, so now it goes back to today. We're giving this truck a visual lift. We're taking the running boards off this truck. In one of my last videos, a subscriber said, yo, I mean, if you're taking the running boards off, I'll buy them from you. His truck has no boards on it, and he really needs some boards and wanted OE boards, and the fact that I'm gonna take mine off, I said, you know what, dude, I'll help you out. So Nick, if you're watching this video, I'll get these boards off, clean them up, wrap them up, and I'll be sending them out to you very soon here. But yeah, we're gonna take these off, and I'll show you guys how much taller this truck looks without running boards on it. It's all gonna start because it's actually crazy because I'm gonna lift this thing, and since day one I've had the running boards on here. So when I lift this thing, I'm not gonna have any running boards for a while. So it's gonna be you know, a jump to get in and out, but it's more fun that way. So let's dig into this. I'm gonna get my sockets out. And that's another thing that drives me nuts. People who have these channels and they're like, oh yeah man, I'm wrenching on my truck, wrenching on my car. Act like they do this all the time when they don't even have the proper tools. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly do things, make it easy, and make your life simple. I'm gonna get my tools out, running boards off, and I'll get you outside to show you how much taller this truck looks. Guys, the truck looks so much taller already. I actually can't believe it. It's kind of hysterical, actually. So here's the side with the running boards on it, and all I'm gonna do is walk to this side, and look at that. There is so much more ground clearance here. You have to see when it's outside. I like the no running board look. And just like that, the running boards are off. It is so much taller. I mean, obviously, because now you gotta go all the way up here to get in. But, ooh, that's gonna look good. Like I said, guys, if you guys don't have impact wrenches, impact drivers, I recommend getting some. 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes it took me to get those running boards off. They came off that easy. Do you want me to put them back on and show you how fast it is? Just watch a video in reverse. It'll show you everything. In all seriousness, man, having the right tools for the job makes things so much easier. Now we're gonna take this truck out. I'm gonna show you this thing in the daylight, and it looks a lot taller. Nice vinyl wrapped Ram with the trailer to match. I can dig it. As you can see, guys, the truck looks so much better and so much taller with just one more piece of chrome removed. The wheels are next, and then the bumpers are after. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. Take care. More mods coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.